Artificial intelligence is on the verge of revolutionizing the way businesses operate, and this probably doesn't come as a surprise to you. In fact, AI's influence on the workplace is already in full swing. According to our recent State of Artificial Intelligence survey, a staggering 62% of business leaders have already made investments in AI and automation tools for their employees. And that's not all. An overwhelming 65% of survey respondents believe that AI innovations will have a similar impact to the Industrial Revolution. This means one significant thing for the future of business. Professionals in marketing, sales, and service now have more time to dedicate to complex, high-impact tasks. Thanks to AI, creativity and innovation can take center stage, while mundane and repetitive tasks take a back seat. Gone will be the hours spent meticulously crafting professional emails, generating marketing reports, or coding. Instead, professionals will have the opportunity to delve into more profound work. This deeper work will empower you to gain valuable insights about your email recipients, devise strategies based on pre-analyzed data, and design more compelling web experiences or products for your customers. Now, you might be wondering how exactly AI will impact businesses in 2023. Well, according to our State of AI survey, which involved 1,350 professionals from across the United States, here are just a few ways in which AI is already reshaping the workplace. At Inbound 2022, numerous small and medium-sized businesses, SMBs, are grappling with the challenge of connecting with customers in a hybrid world. Many of them resort to piecing together various solutions that don't effectively integrate their customer data, leading to inefficiency and fragmentation. Amidst this struggle, artificial intelligence emerges as one of the most compelling solutions for bridging the gap and truly understanding our customers. Business leaders wholeheartedly agree with this notion. In fact, our research reveals an astonishing 63% of professionals believe that AI is already assisting their employees in gaining a deeper understanding of their customers. AI has the power to bring together data from multiple sources and consolidate it into a single, reliable hub of information. This enables businesses to uncover unique insights about their customers that may have otherwise gone unnoticed. However, the true value of AI lies in the gift of time. It allows you to refocus your attention on your customers with unwavering dedication. For your sales team, AI provides the luxury of time to genuinely connect with customers and collaborate with them to identify how your products can meet their distinctive needs. Your support team benefits by being able to concentrate on tackling complex customer challenges instead of being overwhelmed by mundane tickets that could easily be handled by a chatbot. Moreover, AI equips your leaders with invaluable insights, empowering them to make impactful decisions that align with what truly matters to your customers. It enables them to steer the company in a direction that prioritizes customer satisfaction and success. Wrangling the right data is undoubtedly one of the most time-consuming tasks for any leader. Whether you're a business executive, analyst, or marketer, analyzing customer data and extracting meaningful insights can eat up hours of your precious time, leaving you with little opportunity to actually put that data to use for making critical decisions. What's more, manual data analysis is prone to human error, which further complicates matters. But fear not, because there's a solution: predictive analytics. This powerful approach harnesses the capabilities of machine learning algorithms, data mining techniques, and statistical methods to analyze vast amounts of data and provide accurate predictions about future trends and behaviors. By incorporating predictive analytics, you can streamline and turbocharge your entire analytics process. There are 3 significant advantages to leveraging AI for data analysis. Firstly, AI algorithms have the ability to identify patterns that may not be readily apparent to human analysts. They can uncover hidden insights and correlations buried within your data, unlocking valuable knowledge that could otherwise go unnoticed. Secondly, AI has the remarkable capacity to learn from your data and improve its predictions over time. As you feed it more information, the algorithms become smarter and more accurate, continuously refining their predictions and delivering increasingly reliable results. And here's the best part: you don't have to do it all yourself. AI takes on the heavy lifting of data analysis, freeing up your time and resources to focus on other strategic aspects of your role. This empowers you to leverage the power of AI as a trusted ally in your analytics journey. In the current challenging economic climate, business leaders face the crucial task of achieving more with fewer resources. Luckily, artificial intelligence, AI, offers countless ways to help businesses save money, and it's no wonder that 28% of business leaders have already experienced cost reduction with AI. One significant advantage of AI is its ability to automate time-consuming manual tasks. For instance, customer support representatives often spend considerable time addressing repetitive customer inquiries. By leveraging AI, you can automate responses to commonly asked questions through chatbots, freeing up your support reps to tackle more complex issues. In fact, a remarkable 91% of customer support reps using AI find that chatbots effectively handle customer service requests. Furthermore, AI can be a game changer when it comes to predictive maintenance. If your business relies heavily on equipment or machinery, AI can help predict potential equipment failures, allowing you to schedule proactive maintenance before a breakdown occurs. This approach minimizes repair costs and operational disruptions. Additionally, if you deal with inventory management, AI can assist in predicting inventory levels, preventing excessive storage costs or wastage. In essence, AI improves efficiencies across various areas of your business, while simultaneously enhancing the overall customer experience. On average, AI already saves employees an impressive 2.5 hours per day, providing them with valuable time to focus on more strategic and human-centric tasks. With the extra time at hand, your business and employees can foster stronger human connections. By leveraging AI to streamline operations, your team can dedicate more energy to building meaningful relationships with customers, understanding their needs, and delivering personalized experiences that resonate on a deeper level. In conclusion, AI is not only a cost-saving tool, but also a catalyst for improved efficiency and customer satisfaction. By embracing AI-driven solutions, your business can optimize resources, enhance productivity, and cultivate stronger human connections that will propel your organization forward in today's competitive landscape. One notable advantage of AI is its ability to facilitate fraud detection for businesses of all sizes. In 2022, a staggering 65% of businesses fell victim to fraudulent attacks or attempted fraud. The impact of fraud can be severe both financially and legally, making it a critical concern for organizations. To exacerbate the issue, fraudsters are becoming increasingly sophisticated, making detection more challenging. However, in 2023, businesses are increasingly turning to AI tools to combat fraud. AI has the capability to pinpoint anomalies within data, enabling employees to identify potential fraudsters. By analyzing patterns and deviations from normal behavior, AI algorithms can flag unusual spending patterns or transactions, aiding in the detection of fraudulent activity. Furthermore, AI can leverage data to make predictions about the likelihood of a transaction being fraudulent. As AI algorithms learn and evolve over time, they become more adept at identifying and flagging suspicious activities. This includes recognizing indicators such as unusual login patterns, transactions that deviate from typical consumer behavior, or instances of identity theft. By harnessing the power of AI, businesses can bolster their fraud detection efforts, providing a crucial layer of defense against malicious activities. With AI as an ally, organizations can proactively safeguard their financial well-being and protect their customers from the detrimental effects of fraud. In the near future, business leaders will increasingly harness the power of AI to uncover new product opportunities and enhance their product development processes. Take software engineers, for example. By utilizing AI tools, they can analyze vast amounts of feedback, engagement data, and product usage information. This analysis enables them to identify areas for improvement in existing products or discover new product ideas based on gaps in the market. The insights gained from AI-driven data analysis can guide engineers in enhancing features and developing innovative solutions that cater to customer needs. But the potential of AI in product development doesn't stop there. AI algorithms can also play a significant role in the actual design of products. Yes, you heard it right. AI has the capability to analyze customer usage patterns, feedback, and preferences to provide invaluable insights that drive the creation of user-friendly, engaging, and effective products. By leveraging AI's analytical prowess, businesses can gain a deep understanding of what truly resonates with their customers and design products that meet their expectations. Moreover, AI can accelerate the product development process from start to finish through rapid prototyping. AI algorithms have the ability to generate multiple design options swiftly and seamlessly. This empowers teams to evaluate and compare various possibilities in real time, allowing for rapid iteration and decision-making. By leveraging AI in this way, businesses can significantly expedite the design process and bring innovative products to market more efficiently. In summary, the future holds immense potential for AI to revolutionize product development. It will enable businesses to uncover new opportunities, enhance existing products, and design user-centric solutions. By leveraging AI's analytical capabilities and rapid prototyping capabilities, organizations can streamline their product development processes, create more compelling offerings, and stay ahead in a highly competitive market. Artificial intelligence, AI, is on the brink of transforming virtually every industry, but there's no need to fear its impact. Instead, the key to achieving long-term growth and success lies in embracing AI and adapting quickly to its presence in our lives. As AI continues to evolve, it's crucial to stay focused on your highest priorities and identify how your business can leverage AI to its fullest potential. By immersing yourself in the world of AI, you can stay at the forefront of innovation and ensure that your business remains competitive in this rapidly changing landscape. Embracing AI as a powerful tool for growth is the path to unlock its true potential and pave the way for a successful future.